Hello guys, this is Alexandre Zar. In today's video I'm going to show you how to find and make the alarm horn work again on W203 Mercedes-Benz. So what you first need to do is take off the front right wheel. This one over here, it's already taken off. It's held in by 5 wheel bolts. You take it off with a 17mm, and then you proceed and taking off the undercowling, which is held in by this 10mm bolt here, this nut, plastic nut. Then you have on the back side, don't have anything over there. You have this nut over here, this one. You have another nut over there, and this one, don't think if I mentioned it. And you have these two plastic pins, and then you have on the other side a couple of pins. So let's get started. I'll show you off camera after I'll do this off camera, and after I take this off I'll show you how it looks and where it is. So this is the horn. There is also one more thing which I want to address whilst I'm here. This is the one. It's a thing neglected in many cases by all the owners. This is the drain tube. You just cut it from underneath and let it drain. This is a one-way valve. Okay, so this is the alarm horn. It's held in by 3 screws. Over here another screw which gets to hold the bracket onto the horn itself. So just gonna press on this side over here and detach the clips and then try it out. Okay, so this is the horn itself. Let me put it here. This is the horn itself. It's made by Bosch. These are the codes. So the Mercedes-Benz code is A171. It's 3202526. Well, let me explain what I did already. I took this bracket. You can see it's matte black. It isn't by choice of the color, but it's something, let's say, like a good paint for bad weather. So that's what I've done. Okay, so now it is in position, mounted onto the bracket. Let's see if it will work. So what I've done now is I lowered the window on the driver's side. I'm going to lock the car, and I'm gonna put my hand through the open window. Oh, working. Man, it's loud. We've got a working alarm. So now we just put everything back in its position. I'll show you off camera how it stays in the vehicle. Okay, so this is the underside of the car. So that's how the alarm is fixed onto the vehicle. Nuts are properly seated in, and also the alarm is in its proper position. Now what I'll do is put the under plastic cover and reassemble everything. This is how it looks from the top side. It used to have somewhere around here some tape. I'll see what I can do about the tape. See what tape I can put. Well, that's it, and now just have to put on the bottom side to fix it again in its place, and then everything will be done according to the book. This is Alexander Izar. Thank you for watching, and hope you hit the like and share and subscribe buttons. See you next time. Bye bye.